When it comes to creating a welcoming and beautiful home exterior, windows play a more important role than many homeowners realize. In Orange Park, where curb appeal can significantly influence property value and neighborhood charm, the right window design and installation can make all the difference. From enhancing architectural style to improving energy efficiency and resale value, windows are central to creating a home that stands out for all the right reasons. Windows as architectural statement. Windows are more than just functional openings for light and air. They're key design elements that define your home's personality. In Orange Park, where a mix of traditional, coastal, and modern architectural styles can be seen, the right windows complement and highlight a home's character. Colonial-style homes often look best with symmetrical double-hung windows. Coastal or Floridian designs shine with wide picture or casement windows that capture views and natural light. Modern homes benefit from sleek, floor-to-ceiling glass panes that give a contemporary edge. Choosing the right style ensures your windows not only serve a practical purpose but also tie the entire look of your home together. Framing natural light and views. Curb appeal isn't just about how others see your home, it's also about how you and your guests experience it. Large, well-placed windows flood interiors with natural light, giving your spaces a bright, airy feel that's immediately inviting. From the outside, homes with expansive or thoughtfully arranged windows feel open and connected to their surroundings, especially in Orange Park's lush, green neighborhoods. A bay or bow window, for instance, creates a charming focal point while also providing panoramic views of the outdoors. These not only elevate exterior beauty but also improve the quality of living inside. The impact of window frames and finishes. The color, material, and finish of your window frames significantly influence the exterior aesthetic. In Orange Park, where warm tones and coastal influences often shape design choices, materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum are popular for their durability and style options. White frames create a classic, timeless look. Black or bronze frames add modern contrast. Wood-look finishes bring warmth and a natural touch. Customizing frame finishes allows homeowners to either blend seamlessly with their siding or make a bold statement. Energy efficiency adds value. While curb appeal is often associated with beauty, efficiency is an understated factor that enhances a home's appeal. Buyers and homeowners in Orange Park are increasingly drawn to energy-efficient windows with features like low-E glass and insulated frames. These windows not only improve comfort but also signal to future buyers that the home is modern, eco-friendly, and economical to maintain. Investing in such upgrades boosts both visual appeal and long-term value, making your home stand out in the real estate market. Low-maintenance appeal. Another way windows contribute to curb appeal is through their upkeep, or lack of it. Stained, cracked, or outdated windows make even the most well-maintained home look neglected. In contrast, modern eco-friendly windows with durable frames and easy-to-clean glass maintain their beauty for years. This fresh and polished appearance can make your Orange Park property the gem of the neighborhood. Final thoughts. windows are often called the eyes of the home, and in Orange Park, they're one of the most effective ways to boost curb appeal. Whether you're updating for resale, modernizing your look, or simply enhancing your enjoyment of your home, the right window style, frame, and placement make a dramatic difference. By choosing thoughtfully designed, energy-efficient, and low-maintenance windows, you'll not only elevate your home's curb appeal but also enjoy a space that's as functional as it is beautiful.